Have you ever like gone back and responded to something and then you're like, oh man, I shouldn't have said that. If I would have said that, I would have gotten the sale. I mean, you could do that right now with AI, right? Automated workflows. Like I said, let them do the heavy lifting. The AI could do the heavy lifting. Menial tasks. Like, don't you ever wish there were like two of you? Like, now's the time, right? There can be two of you with AI. This is a go I like is the lead qualification. This can happen in real time. You don't have to wait anymore. It can happen as you're talking and it's figuring out on the fly because it's so fast. It could filter leads like, is this a lead? Is this maintenance? Is this support? Is this a complaint? What is this? And get down to it. You can also filter out a lot of spam, a lot of junk. If you're sick of getting telemarketers, SEO guys from, Pakistan, foreign lands selling you stuff, like this can knock it out, right? AI triggered follow up, like I said, based on the buyer's intent. You could really super personalize messaging. And then complex buying signals as well, like storm behavior. Think of it like digital door knocking. And it does make your team and operations way more efficient. So now we kind of outline what we're going to talk about. Like, let's get down and kind of look at the system and like really break down the physical actual automations. So this is like our AI overview, our automation system as a whole. And you could get really complex with this. I don't want to get that complex. I just want to give you our bread and butter automations, what's working for us right now that we see, right? This is what we use for our own roofers, to maximize conversion rates and sales altogether. And if you get the basics right, these are like fundamentals, like, baseball or sports, right? Simple things. A lead comes in, instant response, AI follow up, booking of the inspection, nurturing and keeping that lead warm. As the lead goes cold, the further away you're getting from making that sale. Review requests, right? That's a big one because that not only controls if you're going to get another job from it, but your ranking, your AI overviews, there makes it easier to convert, more conversions, more leads, more sales. And then there's that rehash campaigns. These are really good ones. You can go back into your database. You have 1,000 leads from last year that didn't close. You can get a percentage of those and get some more money back in the kitty from things you've already spent time and effort on.